Hello my beautiful YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. So my people, I hope say una no see rain. Anyways, this is the current situation right now in Lekki. After people go dey shout Lekki this, Lekki that, Lekki this, Lekki that. Now wetin dey face for Lekki right now be this. So this rain wey don dey fall since morning right now, we no gree stop. See wetin dey go on right now for Lekki, see flood everywhere, nowhere to pass. Even inside motor, flood. Inside car, house itself don collapse. And only God go save us for this country. Anyways, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, please subscribe to my channel. Biko no, subscribe to my channel. And please drink hot tea and stay warm.